Good bite right there. There's something big right there laying.
We'll catch you something right here. Let me put this on. Two. One of us will catch one right here, I believe. Oh, I want it to be me.
See him freeze in playing right there. Right up on it. I got it. Little bastard. 2 times in a row he's hit it right there. If I can't get him, 3. I think we're gonna start turning up here a little bit.
It's just 7:30. Usually start biting by probably anywhere around now till 9 o'clock.
Two bites in a row right there. Something wrong with that stupid ass hook. Oh, man. Oh, Lord, that was right there on that ring.
There's one behind my. Oh, he's good. Oh, God, I got a good one.
Yeah, you got
Oh, I got him on the line, too. Get the net, get the net. Man, alive, I got a good one. Lay your rod down and get the net. He's a good one. He's about 3 or 4 pounds. I've got a good one.
Come on, bring him on right
And
here.
just take your time. You gotta pull that thing out on that.
I got it, Daddy.
Got to pull that. Got a thing you can put button to push you out, man. Oh, he's a good one, babe. I don't want him to throw. I gotta hold my rod. I gotta hold my rod down. He's a good
one.
one.
Take your time. Take your time. Oh, that's a good fish, Daddy.
Just be
Got
still.
your camera on?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, look at how pretty he is. Bring him on. Look, he's going to break water. Watch. Watch.
I got him. I got him. Hold you.
Bring him on over
I'm going to bring him on in. So easy now. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Wait a minute, son. Get him. It's my arm. My rod on.
Yeah, it's on here. Hold on.
Hold on just a minute.
Hold on, let me get this down. I don't want to get that hook in my hand. That's exactly what's going on.
Man, he's good. Let me get him. Hold still.
You can get that hook in your hand.
Hold on just a minute. Let me get him. Hold still. I got to get the hook first. I got the thing over here to get the hook out with. Hang on just a minute, son.
I got him.
Don't let him flip you and get you. Hang on a minute.
Get the hook out. Get the hook off the net.
Hold on. Let me get him off of this. Off this first. Oh, hang on to him, bro. I'll get him off of this. It will be all right.
Little bass.
I told you some good.
That's a largemouth.
Yeah, that's about 3 or 4 pounds. Hang on a minute, let me get a little picture of him. I told you some good ones in here. Yeah.
How you fish, sir? We're going to the house at me. Hold on. That's a good one.
Right.
I got it.
Is my camera on?
Yeah.
Hold on. Yeah. You want to get a picture of you?
Yeah,
You want pictures of you with him?
Yeah.
He's a good. Let me rinse my hands off. Hang on a minute. Don't fall out in the river. Oh, you get him with it? That's a good one. You want to weigh him?
Yeah. I bet he weighs about 3.5 pounds.
He'll go about 3.5, 4 pounds.
4, I'd say.
3.5, 4 pounds probably.
Yeah, you bad. Well, that's how you do it, son.
Hold on a minute. 3.5, 4 pounds. 3.5, 4 pounds. 3.5, 4 pounds. 3.5, 4 pounds. 3.5, 4 pounds probably.
Yeah, you bad. Well, that's how you do it, son.
Hold on a minute.
See them big ones when they hit, they don't play.
I hope
He's been
so.
caught before. Look at his shit. Look out here. Somebody's hooked him before and he's got
My
off.
battery's dead in this thing.
We'll wait when we get home. Put it in that cooler.
Ain't that a sight?
Pick it up.
Somebody's mashed that stupid looking thing.
Bubba, you going in there? Yes, sir. He's bigger than the cooler is, man.
That ain't gonna hurt him. Yeah.
Oh, sir. I knew how you went straight down. I knew I said, oh, he's got a whopper.
He's a good one. He's one of the.
That's
One
a
of
good eating fish right there, buddy.
yes.
We catch one or two more like that, we have a mess on.
Yeah. Yeah, we have some good ones if we do.
That makes the whole day work.
Yeah, yes. Makes you feel different about fishing. Something I'm hitting this on. What is it? That puppy. One of them little low. Yeah, this spook. On a spook.